Thanks, Kate. Good morning. Well, it stays exceptionally cold over the next few days, at least on the lead up to Christmas. Temperatures plunged to -19 in the north last night. We've got widespread frost, ice and lying snow out there this morning, as well as some freezing fog patches giving some tricky driving conditions and more snow to come. The full forecast in the next 25 minutes. Here's Steve with all the show pages.
I'll have
yeah, a couple of big parties
they
still
are,
after all.
Quite a different people in Cumbria, wasn't it,
yes,
Lucy? They would
so
have woken up and wondered what on earth was going on.
A bit of a shock, I think, yes. An earthquake was reported up in Cumbria around 11 o'clock last night, so after my bedtime, but not for many other people. I think it took most people by surprise, about 3.5 on the Richter scale.
We don't think of this country having earthquakes, do we?
No, but we do. We do get a few. Actually, the same area had the public, so I think it depends whether it hits an urban area or not, or whether it's offshore or inland, that sort of thing.
We want to know what you went through last night.
It was felt up at Dumfries and Galloway in southwestern Scotland, down to Lancashire and across to the Isle of Man.
Wow.
So it's quite a large area we're talking.
OK,
so
let us know.
Just falling from the
we
ceiling,
want to see them,
something like that.
ITV.
So you could go to.
We'll find something else. It'll be OK.
Thanks, Kate. Good morning to you. Well, another really cold day. It just goes on and on. No sign of a let-up as yet. In fact, more hazards out there this morning. Frost, ice, lying snow and some more snow to come. So was Dan, no end in sight. For the next few days at least, it stays bitterly cold, cutting northeasterly winds adding a wind chill. Significant snow again today to coincide with the morning rush hour through central Britain. The full forecast in about 25 minutes. Here's Steve, he's got some better news. Thanks, Kate. Good morning. Freezing, frosty, icy and snowy. Lots going on through the morning rush hour. I've got the full details for you now.